Hello and welcome to this tutorial. In this tutorial, I'll be telling you about the SQL function. Those start with R and S. I will be showing you this example in the system and I will be executing the statement so that you can able to see the output and you can connect with this function. So the first one is the replace. Replace is used to replace with a word that you express here. Like here I have a statement downward, downgrade, downward. I will be replacing down with up. So I will be executing this statement and you are gonna see the output. You can see that down is replaced with up. Now coming to the next function is the right. So right and comma here it will actually show you the value. Those are up to 3. You can see from the right hand side 789. So these 3 digits it is showing in the string. Similar to that, uh, if you give something more than the your string number, but still it show the same value. So here I have 20, but your suppose these digits are less than 20, still it will show the uh, total values. Now coming to the function round. Round actually just after the decimal point, it just makes the rounding figure like and minus and comma. Comma meaning that a comma 1 meaning that one digit will be showing. Here you're gonna see that it is 1. And if you put here 2, then it is going to show the 2 digit of the rounding figure like this. Now coming to the R pad. And in the R padding, actually here suppose you have a string and the you want to add the letters or digits like 1 2 3 4 5, and you need the total length is the 15. So here 15 specifies the total length, and here in the last part what you want to pad. So let me just execute this, and you can see that in the right hand side these letters have been added and total digits will be 15. And I have another example and where I have put total digit to be 2, and let me execute this, and you can see that it is showing just en because I have put the total length as only 2. Now coming to the next function is the trim. Rtrim. Rtrim is mainly used to reduce. This one is mainly used to reduce the trailing spaces. So here, but also you can use it to the trim the two values. Like you have a string value, this one, some numerical value, and you want to remove 2 from the right hand side. So all the 2's will be removed. So let me just execute this. You can see that the 2 from the right hand side has been removed from these numbers. Now coming to the second function shows the second value of a time function. This is one time function, time variable, time data, you can say. So if I execute this, it will just show you the output of the second value, that is 56. Now coming to the next function, seconds between. Second between is shows the second difference from these uh, two time values. Let me just execute this. You can see that I have 2 time values and it just shows the time second difference between these two. Next one is the sign. Sign actually it shows the -1 or +1 based on your values. Like it is -20, meaning that it will show -1. And if you put a positive value, then suppose only 20, then it will show only 1. So it just shows the values sign, or it's positive or negative. Now coming to the next one, the square, the SQRT square. Suppose you have a 16. So what is the 16 square is 4. So it's the square function. It just shows the this mathematical square function, the same this one. Now coming to the substring. Substring is an interesting one. Substring meaning that suppose from the fourth position you want two values. 1, 2. I have put here 2. 4 it starts from 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. Let me just execute this. You can see it's a 4, 5. So from the fourth position, you need two values. That's what you have shown. Now coming to the next one, substring after and before. Substring after actually whatever the strings values you have, and you want specific data like this example. Let me show you. You have put in the position mine. So and substring after means whatever the strings value after the word mine will be showing here. Similar to that, you can also write before. Let me show with this substring before. So here also it will show just before values of the word that you put. Here I have put mine. So here it's showing hello. Now coming to the next one is the sub array. Sub array actually shows the the subtracted value of the array. Like let me create one quickly on array table. Then I will fill just few data. It is executed. Let me show you the data first, how the data looks like now. You can see that the values that I have inserted 1 to 3 and 10, 20, 30, 40. Now what my select is, I will take the value, and those are 1, uh, 2. 1, 2 is the 2 position, and here 1 4 is for the position, meaning that from the start position and up to the length. 2 is for the length too. So let me just execute this, and you're going to see the data. Here you go. You have from the start position I have put 2 length, so only 2 digits will be showing here. Now coming to the next one, and here I have few more function where I will not execute, just I will be telling you the use of it. Like the row number. Row number is used to show you the number based on the partition. Suppose you have a some product name, some articles, and it will make the partition based on your article. Suppose this article having multiple rows, then it can make a row number like 1 2 3 4 continuously, and until the next article comes. When the new article comes, then it will make another sequence again starting from 1. Now coming to the next one, string aggregation. String AGG is used to concatenate. You have multiple, suppose string or values or numbers that can actually combine into one value with a comma. So the next one is the session user. Session user actually shows the user ID of the person who is executing, like the username. The last one is the system ID. System ID actually is the unique ID that generates, and as soon as you write, it creates a some kind of system generated ID, and those are unique. And each time you run it, and it will create a different IDs. That's what it provides in HANA. Thank you for watching this tutorial, and that is all about these functions. And please look into the other functions that I have posted previously. Thank you again.